Halo semuanya, nama saya Ahmad Taufiq Farel dan hari ini I want to share a story about my personal development journey and personal branding growth selama 1 semester ini. This isn't just a presentation, it's literally the version of me that I'm building step by step. So, di mata kuliah ini, I learned about all things that look simple but actually life-changing for me, like self-awareness, discovering my potential, building my personal brand, and becoming more confident. And trust me, that's all is related to my life. So, first, let's talk about self-discovery. Jadi, selama 1 semester ini, aku banyak ketemu dengan diriku sendiri. Hah? Maksudnya? So, in the most honest way, aku selalu pakai my personal SWOT dan reflection. And from there, I realized something. That I'm creative, I learn fast, and slowly I've become more confident than I used to be. Momen paling ngena itu waktu lagu sendiri sih. Literally cuma duduk dan mikirin, Fikal, who are you? What do you actually want? Dan anehnya, dari momen sesederhana itu, I started to understand myself. And the next is skill development. Jadi selama 1 semester ini, aku ngerasa 3 hal ini berkembang banget. Yang pertama, public speaking. I used to overthink a lot, but now I can stand, speak, and actually express myself. Lalu yang kedua yaitu confidence. Dulu aku tuh orangnya minderan, and now aku jauh lebih berani buat tampil dan ambil peran. Dan ketiga, communication. Now I talk clearer, more structured, and more intentional. And all of this happens because I push myself to join organization, volunteer, atau kepanitiaan, and basically any opportunity that could help me grow. So basically, stepping out of my comfort zone changed me a lot. Okay, now let's move to my personal branding blueprint. My favorite part actually. So, my personal position statement is a creative student who focuses on out-of-the-box ideas and growing in a creative and digital content world. And my 3 brand keywords are creative, unique, and out-of-the-box. This is basically the core identity of how I want people to see me. And next, my unique value proposition is pretty simple. I love exploring new things, I learn fast, and I always try to create something different. And my target audience are people in the creative world, young professionals, followers who love creative inspiration, and even artists or creatives. Basically, my brand personality is friendly, curious, and expressive. And the next is platform. I will build my brand on Instagram or TikTok. They're literally the best platforms for creativity and storytelling. Now, let me tell you a bit about my transformation story. So, aku dulu tuh orangnya insecure parah, pemalu, confused about my passion, and not gonna lie, I wasn't consistent. I look everyone's in my age, udah pada berkarya, punya brand, punya impact, berpenghasilan, and I thought, why am I still stuck? And it hit me, nobody's coming to save me. If I want to change, I have to start even from the small step. So, I push myself, ikut organisasi, volunteer, belajar, tampil, belajar ngomong, belajar berani, and guess what? I grow little by little. Now I'm standing here not as someone who's already arrived, but as someone who finally knows where he's going. This is my starting point, and I'm proud of it. From this whole journey, my biggest lessons is simple. You don't grow because you're ready, but you grow because you're willing to try. My plan for the next 6 to 12 months is join more organization, join competition and volunteering, strengthen public speaking and confidence, build a strong and consistent personal brand. And for my future, I hope I'm always consistent, istiqomah, and brave enough to keep evolving. Thank you for watching my journey. But remember, this is still the beginning of my better version. Bye.